Hey, welcome back to the Hydroponics Haven. Alright, we've got a neat video for you today. This is about a system that you can buy off of Amazon. The cheapest, at least 4-star hydroponic system that you can buy. It is similar to the Crakey style, but it was $25 and some change. So it comes with everything that you're supposed to come with, everything you need except the fertilizer and the seeds to get started in the water, of course. But anyway, we're going to get into this. But before we do, we're going to be giving this away at the end of the process we're going to go through of growing something in it. And after we get done with all that, the videos and stuff, we will be having a drawing to give this hydroponic system away. So today we're going to unbox it and look into it and see what it is, what it comes with, and what do you get for $26 and some change by the time taxes and everything. So let's get into this video. Like the video. Come on, like the video. We need you to comment on it. So subscribe to our channel, and right beside it you need to click the bell so that you will get all the when we put out a new video, you will get notified of it. Okay, thank you very much. So just get into this and just see what you see. Here's the box. Come in. It's not damaged in any way, but yaetek, it took about 3 to 4 days for it to get here, so it didn't really take too long for it to get here. So let's get the tape cut. Close this knife up. We don't want to get cut. So alright, we'll open this thing up. And as you can see right off, you see the system. Alright, it is an 11-hole system. Okay. Alright, let's get this out the back box and get the box out of the way. Alright. Now, as you can see, it's 11 holes, 11 plants. Alright. I believe this is right here is where the air hose goes through, and I think this is where the little buoy goes that shows you how much water you have in your system. Alright, you take the lid off. The lid does not snap on there. It just sits on top of it, but hey, yeah, that's okay. Alright, we're going to set the lid off to the side. Alright, we've got instructions. We've got 2 pages, the same thing. They gave us 2 of them. Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but it shows step by step how to put it together. Even if you're going to start seeds, shows you how to do that. Alright, we're not going to read that to you. I imagine it's a little boring. So here's the inside of it, the system. This is the stuff that came in it. Let's get it open. Alright, let's put this back in here. Alright, I think this is probably the pump. So you got a little air pump with it. Nothing else is in there. Okay. It's a little air pump, a little inexpensive, a little cheap. Made in China. Air pump. Tell you what, Let's check it out. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but does it make a lot of noise? Let's see. Does it make a lot of noise? So that's a good thing. It doesn't buzz, it doesn't make a bunch of racket. I've seen some that make so much noise you couldn't hardly stand it. Alright, just put that back in the box for now. Alright, set that aside. Okay. Aha. Here's the air stone. The air stone and the check valve, so that water will not be siphoned out if the pump quits. Okay, so it's a good thing to have a check valve in it. And that's pretty good that it came with. So here is the buoy, I do believe, and yes, take this off. Come with tweezers if you're gonna put seeds. So a little cheap and expensive. Okay, just take this lid. Now this is where this is supposed to go. Well, it's gonna have to be forced down in there, but you can get it in there. Alright, I guess this sets up there and rises up and down with your as your water drops, level drops, this drops down with it. Well, it probably sets up like this. So as your water drops down, it lets you know how much water is in there. When it hits the red, it means it's getting pretty low. It's time to put something in it. Alright, there's that. Alright, let's get the lid back off. Alright, let's see what else. We got another bag of treats. Just tied these things. Alright, put this back. Alright, the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Exactly how many you need. They didn't get you an extra one. So here it's got a hole in the very bottom of it. And then you see the sides of it. I do believe that is, let's see what we have here. That is about 1.25 inches. Let's check on the, yep, 1.25 inches is the, see how well they fit into, they sit right down in there. There's no forcing down. They just sit. It's tight. It's not bouncing around. So that very last 1/16 of an inch, you push it down there for it to set. So that's good. At least they got it tight. All right. They have these little sponge things, little round cylinders looking pieces of sponge. I mean, literally what it is a sponge that has been split. Put your plant in there. What you do, you can just push push that down to the very bottom. See? And you can drop your seed in there and grow it from a seed, or you can just take your plant and put your plant in there. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. I do believe that is everything. That's everything. So it comes with everything you need to get started, all except the nutrients and the water. So there you go. That is a look at this. It's the yaetek hydroponic system. I will give a description down below from where I bought it from Amazon. And so you can go on there and check it out. If you want to buy you one, go right ahead. It's built. Let me move around. It's kind of flexible, but it's, it's pretty stout. It's better than what I thought it was going to be. I'll tell you that much. It's built better than what I really thought it was going to be. So this doesn't look like a regular tote. I've seen a lot of them that's online that you can buy that's $25, $30, $40. Literally took a tote and turned it into a system, which, that ain't nothing wrong with it. But this doesn't seem like a regular tote. So something a little bit different. So anyway, this is the system. We will be giving this away at the end of the videos we're making with it. We're going to set it up. I'm going to build a grow light to go on it. It's a little bit different style than what I built last time, but I'm going to build the light stand so that it can fit. When I take it apart, it will fit into this tote. Okay, so everything will fit into this, and I'll be able to ship this out to the person that wins this at the end of all the videos. But first, we're going to grow something in it with some nutrients that is coming next week from our sponsor. Okay, and I'm excited about this. I'm not going to tell you who it is yet, but when we get it, we're going to do a video on that, and setting it up, mixing it, and setting it up, and getting this ready to grow in. So thank you for watching. If you have not, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the little bell notification right beside it so you'll get all the notifications for my new videos that are coming out. And go to my Hydroponics Haven channel and look at the other videos that we have. And I thank you so much for watching. So God bless you, and until next video, have a wonderful day.